Hello everyone watching this video. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do a glamorous but simple eyeshadow look using the Carli Bible eyeshadow palette. If you don't know what eyeshadow palette this is what it looks like. These are all the colors. Alright, so I'm going to start out with this brush. Just kind of a simple brush. I don't know if you can really see it. Alright, I'm going to use Moo, the color right here, and just put it all over my crease. I love this palette. It comes on, like, the eyeshadow just comes on so easily. It's really, really pretty. Just have a little more. Okay. Do it to the other eye real quick. Okay. Now that that is done, kind of see what that looks like. Then I'm going to use this brush. It's a little bigger. Looks like this. And I'm going to use the color Chai. And it looks like this. It's this one right here, right next to Moo. Just kind of put that above my eye. Next, I'm going to use this brush. They all kind of look the same. They're just like fanned out kind of a brush. You can really use anything, in my opinion. So now I'm going to use the color, I think it says Boy. Looks like that. It's right there. And I'm just going to put it in the corner of my eye. Very end. Do it to the next side. Okay. So kind of. Then just grab a very loose kind of brush, just like something that you can blend it really well together with. I'm going to use this brush and just kind of blend it up. And then if you want to make it a little more dramatic looking, you can get like this kind of a brush. It's like really flat. Can't really see it, but it's just very skinny. And then grab like a dark shade and put it underneath your eye. to make it look a little more, give it more drama. And also what I like to do with like all of my eyeshadow looks is just get the lightest color of the palette, which in this one would be, I think, Bolly. I also really like shimmery colors, so I'm going to use this one right here and just put it right in the very corner of my eye. Just make it look more of like a, I don't know, I just like to do that. Alright, and that is how you can do a simple but glamorous eyeshadow look with this palette. If you haven't bought it, buy it. Oh, Jolie, what are you doing up here? Are you making fun of me?